Types of meditation that can help deal with depression. If you feel that you are suffering from depression, it is important to seek professional help for a full clinical evaluation to get the right treatment. Although not a substitute for professional help, there are many meditation techniques that can be practiced to help overall mood. Here are 13 meditation techniques that can help alleviate depression symptoms. 1. Deep breathing exercise. Take a long, slow deep breath through your nose. Breathe out through your nose or mouth. Feel your belly rise and fall through full inhalations and exhalations. On the breath in, think to yourself, breathing calm and relaxation. On the exhale, breathe out stress, sadness, and pain, and repeat. 2. Practice gratitude. While breathing, focus on all that you are grateful for in your life. Research shows that gratitude improves well-being. If in a depressed mood, even something as simple as thankfulness for each breath, or a steady in and out mantra, is sufficient. 3. Counting your breaths. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath at the absolute top of your inhale for 2 seconds. Release and breathe out for 6 seconds. 4. Positive self-statements. While breathing, try to practice positive self-talk. Find things you like about yourself, things you do well, or anything else you feel good about and reflect on them. If a negative thought enters your mind, try to counteract it with positive thoughts. Pinpoint 3 wins in your day. They could be as simple as, I ate food, I got out of bed, and I took a shower. 5. Mindfulness meditation. When you notice thoughts that are not beneficial to you, practice being an observer, notice them, but do not attach. Let them move through your mind like you are watching clouds in the sky as they float past. 6. Heart-centered breath. Regularly work to bring awareness to your heart, redirecting any incoming energy to the center of your chest. For a closer connection, place your hands over your heart to actively feel your breath on the inhales and exhales. Breathe peace into your heart. Listen to what your heart needs. Make yourself a priority, whether it's adding more self-care into your life, being kinder to yourself, or connecting to a loved one. As you center your breath to your heart, create intentions that will lead you to where your heart desires, like I intend to forgive others and myself today, or I manifest love and connection. 7. Body scan meditation. Mentally scan your body from head to toe. Notice where you are holding any tension. After all, the mind and body are interconnected. See if you can shift positions to release some of the stress you are holding in your body. One at a time, connect to each body part and try to relax it. For example, begin with your forehead. Is it scrunched? Then, move to your brows. Are they furrowed? Continue down to the rest of your body parts from there. Once you have completed your mental check, scan your body once more to see how you are overall and whether anything feels different or better. 8. Loving kindness meditation. Start in a comfortable seated position and take a deep breath. Once you have completed your mental check, scan your body once more to see how you are overall and whether anything feels different or better. 8. Loving kindness meditation. Start in a comfortable seated position and take a deep breath. May I be healthy and strong. May I be able to live in this world happily, peacefully, joyfully, and with ease. Next, think of someone you love deeply and repeat these phrases toward that person. May she be free from inner and out harm. After repeating these phrases directed toward a loved one, think of someone who you feel neutral about and repeat the meditation toward them. Repeat them towards someone with whom you've had some conflict or difficult feelings. Finally, shift your focus globally. May all living beings be safe from harm. 9. Visualization. Use your mind to focus on positive imagery, like a setting where you feel calm and at ease. Try to use your 5 senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? For example, if you are visualizing being at the beach, imagine listening to the waves crashing and the seagulls above you, tasting the salt air, feeling the sand in between your toes, etc. 11. Walking meditation. choose to go on a walk without any distractions. Leave your phone at home or at least on silent. You may choose a phrase to focus on while you walk. Pay attention to what nature is offering. What do the trees look like? Is there a breeze? Can you hear birds chirping? 12. Guided meditation. Guided meditations provide structure and something to follow so you can focus on the meditation with ease. Find a YouTube video or try a meditation app that has specific meditations you're interested in. For example, guided meditation for sleep, guided meditation to reduce anxiety, etc., and follow along. 13. Sound bowl meditation. Buy a sound bowl with a tone that you find calming. The different types and sizes of bowls make different tones which all can help to reach various brain waves and send you into a deep meditation. Tap on the side of the bowl to elicit a pinging sound that helps to neutralize energy in the room and promotes calm, or practice moving the wand around the side of the bowl until it produces a ringing sound. For better health and well-being, keep watching more videos by just subscribing to our YouTube channel Wear Your Energy and visit us for further queries at www.wearyourenergy.net.